Zion's National Park is an amazing place to visit. It has some of the best views I have ever seen. It is a very inspiring place that I would give 5 stars. It is amazing to be looking up steep canyon walls everywhere. If you go on any hike that goes up into any cliffs like Angel's Landing, you will see that it is amazing. As long as you are aware and very careful of all edges that you could fall off and die, you will have a very safe trip. It is very enjoyable to be there. It is a wonderful place. It costs $30 per vehicle to enter the park, or it costs $15 per person. Zion's has some of the best hikes. Some of them are very steep, others are flat. There are hikes for everyone. If you are not able to walk, the views from inside a car are amazing. If you ever go on a trip to Utah, this is one of the places that must be on your list. The Narrows are awesome because you are looking up cliffs on either side of you. They are very impressive. By the way, there are lots of squirrels in Zion's. They are not afraid of you, and if you are not paying attention, you could step on one. Some of the wildlife in Zion's are bighorn sheep, mule deer, foxes, bats, and Californian condors. The condor is the largest North American bird, and it is a vulture. They almost went extinct at one time, and they are coming back. The park has a few of them, and it is amazing if you get to see one. Zion's National Park is an amazing place to go because it has some of the best views, lots of wildlife, and there are lots of fun hikes. Thanks for watching, and go be outdoors.